will tell you the names of the things in my living room. It's table. T-A-B-L-E, table. It's lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. It's carpet. C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet. Then it's chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. This is sofa. S-O-F-A, sofa. So, this is what my living room looks like. Table, sofa, chair, lamp and carpet. Now I will tell you the names of the things in the dining hall. Let's start. It's table. Again, table. Then it's chair. Chair. And now this is a closet. C-L-O-S-E-T, closet. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Spoon. This is cup. C-U-P, cup. Cup. And then it's plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. And last is glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. So, this is my dining hall. Table, chair, plate, glass, cup and closet. We put glasses and plates in the closet. I know you will remember all the things. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Next video on 19th January. Thank you. Bye-bye.